Cool. So this is the first episode of I think it's gonna be a series maybe of 3 episodes where I'm just introducing you to Forex, all the basic stuff, how to open an account, how to register, with a broker, how to place a trade, the platforms, placing a trade, the platforms. And then I'm just gonna, from there, I'll just, I'll also give you the websites, like the broker websites, the ones that I recommend. And then we're gonna go through, we're gonna go to the charts and explain what's happening there. Where do we buy? Why do we buy? Where do we sell? Why do we sell? What is a candlestick? And how do we like how do we when do we know okay, when to place a buy, when to place a sell? I'm
Okay.
bringing on my notes here. How and when do I take a trade? Those questions will be answered in the introduction series. I don't know if you have time, but if depending on how many questions you're gonna have on this episode, on this first episode, we might have another session because I don't pay for Zoom, so they give me like 45 minutes, then they end the session. It's not like I can't go more than that because I don't pay. I'm not a member. I don't pay for their services. So we might have to do another Zoom session to finish this series, and then maybe you're gonna have it might end up being 2 episodes, and then that's it. And then from there, I'm just gonna take you straight to action, and then yeah. Then it is the rest will be just you going over what I'll be discussing with you today. You go do your homework to just go look. Rewatch the episode and take notes, and then so that you're familiar with the terminology and stuff. Yeah. So with that, we can now begin our lesson. So yeah, I'll be mentoring you on Forex and crypto. I'll be mentoring you on Forex, on trading Forex, trading crypto. We basically use the same information, same knowledge. Just that it differs with when the kill zones and stuff. We don't have kill zones for crypto. We just trade. Okay, I'll go deeper on that. I'm in the crypto. Because then you'll know more about that. But let's focus on Forex. So I'll be mentoring you on Forex, crypto. In crypto, we do many things. We invest, we trade, we flip NFTs, we do liquidity mining. We do a lot of things in crypto. In Forex, we just trade. You pick your favorite instruments. I'm gonna let you know mine, what I normally trade, and what times at what times during the day do I trade my instruments, because that is also vital. Yeah, if you have any questions so far, just feel free. You've paid for this, so this is I'm of service to you right now. So any questions you might have, they might also help the guys that are not here. When they watch, maybe they'll be asking themselves similar questions in their heads. And I'm not a beginner anymore. I'm a pro now. So I might not know exactly what you were thinking. So just pause me and ask me if you have any questions, and then I'll be happy to answer.
Okay, not a problem.
Yeah, so for you to trade Forex, you need to have like an account. So it's similar to a bank account, but you're your own bank. You're going to deposit your money there and you're going to grow your money yourself. You need a skill to do that, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you. So you need to open an account with a broker. So a broker is like a bank, like you deposit you deposit your money, maybe using Capitec. I don't know which bank you're banking with. So same thing with the broker. You're just gonna deposit your money there electronically, and then it goes into your account, and then from there you're gonna transfer the money from your trading account to your trading platform. So you're gonna have login details to your account, and then you're gonna use either MT4 or MT5. That's where the magic happens. That's where you trade your money. And then from there, once you flipped your money, maybe from 5,000 to 15,000, 20,000, and then if let's say now you want to withdraw your money, and then you're just gonna go to your broker bank, quote unquote, and then you just transfer it from your trading platform, which will be also there. You'll just link your account with the trading platform yourself there, and then you just transfer the money. You do an internal transfer, and then from there you can withdraw on your broker. But those things are easy. You get to I'll be showing you how to do it once we meet face to face, hopefully soon, maybe next week. I don't know. Okay, let me recommend the 3 brokers that I want you to start off with, and then as you go along, you might have like a special affinity for other brokers that I may not know, that you might know, and then as you grow in this in your experience with Forex. So we have Trade 245. This is a local broker, South African broker. Trades245.com. This one here. I think I sent you a link to this thing here. So you're just gonna go here and you're gonna register. I don't know if you can still see my screen. Hello.
Yes, I can still see it. Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you see Trade 245? I have multiple screens here, so I don't know which one. I don't know if I'm sharing the right one.
Oh, it's fine. I can see exactly where you're going each time you go to the next page.
Yeah, no problem. So this is where you put your details and stuff, and then you're just gonna put in your details, personal details, and then you proceed, you register. This is easy. You just it's very easy. You just register, like how you open up a Facebook account basically, and then you're just gonna continue by I mean, you're gonna be verified after you're gonna get verified after you've submitted your documents for FICA documents, so that they know you as a customer. It's called KYC, to know your customer. They need to know who you are. You're gonna put in your details. I mean, you're gonna take a photo of your ID, and then you can also take a photo of your proof of residence. It can either, or you can either upload your proof of I mean your bank statement as proof of residence, because when you open the account there with the bank, you submitted your proof of residence, so they don't need you to. You can just use that as proof that you are a resident in South Africa, blah blah blah, by just providing them with the bank statement, or you can just go to and ask for proof of residence from a municipality or some, or yeah, I think you get it from a municipality or something. So yeah, and then you're just gonna register with this. You're gonna upload those documents. If you
Yes.
encounter any challenges, you can call me, and then I'll just take you through, either on a phone call, or we can use Team Viewer, where I'll be just doing everything on your laptop from here, from my office. I'll be sitting here, and then I'll be doing everything there. That's for you, that side on Team Viewer. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. So we have Trade 245. We have Vault. Just open accounts with these Vault markets. Vault markets.trade. and register this. The trade. Is it here? You can just log into this website and then you register here. They'll ask for the same things, and then you go to Xness. And then you go to Xness. These are the trade brokers I want you to register with. The trade brokers. Okay, these are my accounts for. Let's just do this here. And then please, I want you to get this, the link to this. This is not Xness Group, no? Yes, xness.com. Yes. This is the link. You just go here and then you open an account with Xness. And then, yeah, they'll ask the same thing for as the other brokers. So, and then for placing your trades, you need to download MT4 on your phone. This is the platform here. This is the platform. This is the logo. It's MetaTrader 4. You go to your Play Store there, you download. It's available for Windows, Mac, iOS, everything, phone. And then you also need to download MT5. This is like a more advanced version of MT4, MT5. So you need to open that as well. I mean, to download that as well. And then for events, you need to also have a floating clock. I don't know if I'm gonna see it here. A floating clock, it's an app on Google Play. Yeah, something like this. It's actually, this is the app.
Okay.
Actually, I need you to download this app, and also please download investing.com. because this is where you're gonna be looking at the this is what I use to check the economic calendar. Investing.com. There's an app for this. So I just download those, and then yeah, we will be sorted. So on the chart, you'll be seeing something like this. These are candlesticks. These are called candlesticks. This is what you're going to be seeing. Let me just open the chart here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. On the charts, you'll be seeing something like this. Okay, let's just open Euro USD here. Okay. So this is what you're going to be seeing on the chart. Let me just put it like this. I've changed mine to red and gray, but usually it's red and black. I mean, red and green. So the ones going up are green, and the ones going down like this here, those ones are red. If you're looking at this trend, it's going down, né? This is going down.
Yes.
Here it's going down. So you have more red candles going down. And then if it's going up like this here, you have more green candles going up. The green candles are bullish candles. We call them bullish candles. The red ones, those are bearish candles. And then candlesticks. So this is what you need to know about the candles, the candlesticks. If it's green, like this here. If it's green,
yes,
it's going up, né? So
okay,
it's an up close candle because it closes up there. It opens here, it goes down, and then it goes up above the opening price, and then it goes up to that point before closing, and it comes back down, and then it closes here. So this is like the path it went before before closing. So it opened here, it went down before it closed, it went up, and it didn't close up there, it went down again, and then it closed somewhere here. So it's gonna leave the path. We call these wicks. These are wicks. So it's like this here. This is the word, wicks. These are wicks. This is like a path.
Yes.
It tells you where the candle has been. Okay. So if it's
Okay.
red, it's a down close candle, it's bearish, and then it opens up. It's the opposite of this here. It opens up here, it opened here, and then it went up, and then it went down, and then it came here to close. So you have an open, high, low, and then you have an close. That's the direction. That's the path it went. It opened, it went high. It didn't go from open to low and then close and then high. No. It opened, it went high because it ended up being red. That's how you know it went up to high before closing, because it ended up being red. Same thing here. You know it opened and then it went lower before closing up because it's green. You know, this is a green candle, it's an up close candle. So it opened here, it went down, and then it went up, and then it closed there, and then it ended up being green. If this was going to be red, it could have opened here, but it was going to go up and then go down and then close down, not close up. So if it closes above the open price, it's a green candle. If it closes below the open price, it's a red. Yes.
Okay.
That's all you need to know. And then coming to a chart like this here, so okay, before we go there, when do we make money out of this thing here? When do we make money? So this candlestick here, you want to buy this candle. You need to be in a buy position so that you can profit from a candle, the up close candle. This one you need to be selling so you can profit from a down close candle. So you buy low and then you sell high. So if you buy here, you want to buy and you want to see the candle going up like this.
Yes.
If you are here, you want to sell somewhere here at the high. So you buy low, then you sell high. Please write that down. You buy low and then you sell high. So the red candle is for selling, the green candle is for buying. That's like the simple version. That's like the simplest form I can explain this to you. This you buy, this you sell. So coming into a chart like this here, now there are many of the candlesticks and they don't have the same shape. They don't have the same they don't have the same wicks. They don't have equal wicks. They have different. This one is longer than the other. This one is smaller than this one. All of that is it tells a story about where the market wants to go. Okay, it tells a story about strength and weakness, going up and going down. So on my chart here, now you don't have one candle, you have like many candles, right? You don't have like a one candlestick, you have many candlesticks, and they make up a trend. In this trend here, I'm just going to be focusing on this trend here, this small trend.
Yes.
And I'll also be focusing on this small trend here. Here you have made red candles, down close candles. This ended up being a downtrend. It made this to be a downtrend. So it's going down. You need to be selling high. So you need to sell here. This has many green candles. I made them to be gray on my charts. That's a personal preference. You can also change them as long as you understand that you can change them to be any color, but the more familiar color or the common color for traders out there is green. Even on your phone, when you download the platforms, they come green there. So many people don't change the color because they just prefer the green color. You can change, but the color doesn't mean anything actually. You need to know if you understand that the color of your choice represents up close candles, then that's fine. So here mines are gray here. Change them to be gray, but these are green candles according to the presentation right here. So if there are many green candles, the trend ends up being a bullish trend like this. It goes up. So you want to buy the low of the trend, okay? You want to buy here so that this thing goes up and you get into profits, and then you close before they turn. But you need a strategy to do that. That's where I come in. You need a strategy to do all of these things. You can't just predict how it's gonna go here, now it's gonna go here. You need to read these candlesticks and understand. So I do have a strategy for you and for the rest of the crew. Strategy I'm using, it's called the 2022 mentorship, or you can just call it the 2022. It's a strategy that was made available to me in 2022, and I've profited a lot from it. The whole entire year last year. And I said to myself, I will not teach Forex until I make my first million. I don't want to be seen as a scammer. I want to teach when I know exactly what I'm doing. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this mentorship. I'm telling you exactly how I did this. And I'm taking you by your hand to just come along with me, walk with me in this journey. And I want you guys to make money also. I'm not a scammer. Trust me, you've paid the money you paid is just nothing compared to what you're making using this the knowledge that I'm gonna be giving you today. But have this you need to have the determination, and you need to put aside I know maybe some of you are working. I don't work, I don't have a job. This is my job here. This is what I do every day. This is how I pay my bills. This is how I pay rents. This is me. It pays my kids' school fees. It does everything for me. So I'm gonna be letting you in to the secrets of Forex. And I want you to take it serious. I want you to take this not as a hobby, but this is your work. This is work. This is business. So I need you to focus and utilize the information that I'm going to be giving you to its full extent. You need to make sure that you monetize the skill. Okay, don't just study for the sake of studying. This is this is real stuff. This is real stuff. So I don't know if you have any questions before I go deeper, and we have like I think 15 minutes before this meeting ends. I'll be happy if I can take questions with the remaining time, and in the next episode we just go deeper into okay what the strategy is, when do we buy low, how do we buy low, and how to place a trade and all of that stuff. Okay, because the platforms we've covered, and we also know how to register. I'm sure all of you you guys will never struggle to open up an account with a broker as long as you know the website. Uh, yeah, and placing a trade, you just need to place a buy and a sell, but you need to know when exactly to place a buy and when exactly to place a sell. Like here, I'll show you something. I'll show you something here. Um, okay, this is zero. This is zero. This was on Friday, by the way. This was on Friday. I took this trade on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Here we profited from this trade. I made like 17,000 US dollars from this. So this is
Wow.
yeah, but don't let the figures distract you, okay? You're gonna be making more. You're gonna be making that and more if you listen to me and you listen to the information that I'm giving you. So when do we to answer the question of how and when do I take a trade? When is a factor of time and price. So at a specific time, you need to see price reacting a certain way, a certain way. As you can see here, this rectangle, this is where I entered my sell. Excuse my sell, and my stop was here, stop loss. And then I rode it until here. And then I was able to make like
Mm-hmm.
17. I was able to make it like 17,000. Let's go to Instagram and I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this is my Instagram page, and these are the trades that are taken. If you look at this, isn't this the same thing? This, yeah, and this here, that week, that week is this the same week as this one. That week. The problem here, I'm on M1. So let me go to M1 and maybe we'll see everything. M1 is like a time frame, yeah?
Time frame.
Time frame. It's like
Okay.
1 minute time frame. I don't know.
Mhm.
Have you traded Forex before? Is this your first time?
So I'm still a baby. Like it's my first time for everything. I
Okay.
know I kind of have an idea of what it is, but learning it's totally my first time.
Okay. So you've never placed a trade before.
No, I haven't.
Okay. So you remember I told you that we buy low and then we sell high, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you need to have a strategy to figure out the highs because this was the high I was aiming at. Eh? So I entered here, right at
Okay.
this. I took a sell here. I didn't know that these candles were gonna follow, the red candles were gonna follow, right? It was going up.
Oh,
I had more green candles, up close candles. But with the information that I have, I knew that if it reaches this point, the rectangle that I highlighted here, I knew that inside the rectangle, I
yes.
have a turning point inside this rectangle. I'll be teaching you that. So I entered here,
Okay.
sell positions at the high, my sell positions at the high there. You check, these are my sell positions. These are the lot sizes. I entered them right there. And then this thing went up a bit and then it turned. It went lower and lower. As you can see here, this is the same chart. This is the same chart. So as it was going low,
Yes.
if it comes back up and if I see, okay, it's going to give me another high, I want to sell. I want to add more positions there where I know it's gonna be turning. I use this information, the previous information from the. I use this information. This is all I need. The previous price to know when is it gonna turn.
Yes.
When is it gonna turn? Because this all of this is an algorithm. Ne? This thing is controlled. The movement of price is controlled by a computer, artificial intelligence. So you need to understand when is it likely to, like, you need to know the patterns of this thing. So they sort of be teaching you the pattern. Okay,
Okay.
at specific times it behaves a certain way. So I have the secrets now. I know how it's going to behave at what time. That's case. And as you can see here, I'm not using South African time. I'm from South Africa, but I'm not using this. I'm using New York because this algorithm was coded using the New York time zone. And if you see here, I have two vertical lines here. the two vertical lines this is what constitutes my entry, because I'm not gonna take a trade unless it's within this range here. And that's why I got the highest high before price went lower and lower and lower like that. You understand? I got it
Yeah.
in this range here. So that's what I'll be teaching you. That's what I'll be teaching you. And yeah, as you can see here, okay, I just wanted to show you this, not to show you figures and stuff, but I just want you to get an understanding of why, if what I mean by selling high and buying low. So if I want to buy, I need to buy here, and then this thing goes up. So I need to know exactly when is it more likely to go up now. I need to have like a strategy so I can enter a trade at the right price. But to answer a question of how and when do I take a trade, you need to be inside of a kill zone. Yeah? So I have
Okay.
kill zones. I think okay, I don't think I have a picture here on my Instagram, but please go through my Instagram and just look at the pictures there. They are very informative. Some of them are informative. You might learn a thing or two, and you might get like an understanding of what we look for in price. So if you don't understand certain things, I'll come back with questions. If you saw something here and then you want to know more about that thing, I'll be happy to share the information with you. I'm trying to check if I have like a picture I posted for kill zones. I think I do have it on the Telegram. Yeah, on the private mentorship Telegram mentorship group there. I'll also send it to you. So those are the times that we work, but I can also tell you here. So we are not using South African time. We are using New York time. Ne? So you want to take
Okay.
your trades between these time zones here. We have 4 minutes left, so I think that will be our last point for this introduction. So the time zones. That's our last point. Let me do this here. Okay, let's take EU, Euro, dollar from Pepperstone. Let's go to 15 minutes. Go to 15 minutes and then yeah. So as you can see here, this is trading view. This is where we analyze the markets, right?
Okay.
This is where I analyze the markets, and then the vertical lines is one full day. This is one full day. This is a 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame you can also see on my watermark here. The time frame I'm watching this from. It's 15 minutes. So
Okay.
what that means, it means that every candlestick that you see here took 15 minutes to form. If I go to
Oh, okay.
if I go to 5 minutes, it means the lines will be these lines here that represent one full day. They get big and then they extend because now I'm having too many candles because I just went to a lower time frame, which is 5 minutes. So now every candlestick that you see here, 5 minutes to form. You can go up also to a daily chart. And then if you go to a daily chart, every candlestick that you see here took 1 day to form. So we trade. You remember I told you about the up close and down close candles,
Yes.
So this is like one full day, the whole day. And we take trades in between these candles. We want to, if you see a down close like this, okay. If you are trading, if you're a day trader, you're
Yes.
taking trades inside of this candle. And the trades that are going to be profitable are the ones you took buying more than the ones you took when you're selling. Yes, this candle will be going up.
Selling.
It will be go up. It will be going up and down until the whole day it finally closes there. But you know, if it's a green candle like this, it opens here. If it has a small wick here. I don't know if you can see on your phone. It has a small wick here. So it opened here, it went down lower, and then it went up and then closed here. So you want to buy there. When it goes down, you want to buy there. The whole day you can hold, and then if you're swing trading, and then you can close when it reaches that point. But you need a strategy. I'll be teaching you that. But yeah, I was just showing you that you can also scale up to as big as a daily chart, and you can also go to a weekly chart to see what price is doing there, to get like an overview of what price is likely to do, and to check the draws on liquidity, which I'll be telling you more about once we go deeper. Yeah, so let's go to a 5-minute chart. I want to show you something on a 5-minute chart. There we go. Let's go to yeah. I wanted to tell you about the times that we use. Okay, we have less than a minute now. I think we're gonna have to cover that on our next episode of Forex Basic Forex Introduction. So I'm just gonna be talking about the times, the time zones, the kill zones when we take a trade. We have the Asian session, London kill zone, New York kill zone. We have the lunch hour. We have the New York PM session. So we have an Asian session from 7 to 12 New York time, London kill zone 2 to 5 a.m.
Yes.
New York time, 2 to 5 a.m. New York time, and then you have the New York kill zone, which is 7 to 9 a.m. Lunch hour from 11 to 1 p.m. Then you have the New York session, which starts at 1:30 to 4 p.m. So those time zones, those are the times where we only take trades during those times.